see this. There is a parrot, there is a cage. I throw this parrot to this, and now he came back. See? Hey kitty kitty, see this parrot. He come back. Try again. From this. I can play football with this parrot because he has a natural connection with his wife and their son. There is his wife and other his sons. I throw the parrot like this. He come back. Far away I throw him. Then he come back to his home. Now I throw it like a ball. Yeah. He come back. Now you can use your parrot like a football. Say hi. Ouch. Okay. Bye bye. So bye bye guys. See you next time. Please like this video.